Hello, buddy. Come on, wake up. Wake up, man. Hey, wake up. Hey, come on, man. Wake up. Wake up, dude. Hey, wake up, man. Come on. Hey. No, don't die here. Come on. Please don't do this. Don't do this. Why you're dying? Come on, wake up. Hey, Kay, come on. What do you want? Do you want some water? No? Oh, he's dying. Look at his head, how he's turning. Come on. Hey, wake up. No. Please don't do this. Wake up, man. Oh, this is so sad. I just found this one. He just came next to my arm and he's just dying now. Come on, dude. It's a lost bird. We are around, I was just hiking around 2,700 meters above sea to this beautiful mountain in North Albania, and it's really wonderful. And the problem is now I just got sad because of this little dude here. Come on, hey, wake up, wake up. What do you want? Come on. Oh, this is so sad. Look at how he's turning his head. Come on, it's time to go. Come on, get strong. Wake up. Come on, wake up. No. No. No, this is really bad. This is really bad. Come on. No. I don't know what to do with this. I have no idea how I can save this one now. Maybe he's sick and he's just dying. He just came next to me, next to my arm. We were just making a small pause, and he came next to me, and he just turning. I don't know. Maybe he's sick. Maybe I shouldn't be here with him. Let him die alone. No, I should let him die alone here. Come on. Wake up. Oh, look at how his heart is beating. I don't know. Look at his heart, how he's beating. His heart is beating so bad. I think he has heart problem. Okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna fix some stones here and let him die in peace. Come on, no. Hey, why are you turning like this? This is so sad. No. Oh no. Oh, this is getting a little disturbing, the picture here. Come on. Wow, look at his heart as he's beating. He's moving all of it. Maybe the altitude is too high for him, I don't know. Maybe the altitude is too high for him. And he's getting down. I don't know. But if the altitude is high, how he came here though? Okay, man. Die in peace here though. Peace out. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna make some stones here. And maybe next time when I come, I'm gonna fix him. Maybe I will see his grave. Die in peace, man. Oh, okay. This is the morning here. It's around 7:30. No, it's around 8:30, 8:35. The weather is it's wonderful, and this dude is just dying here. Sorry, man. Feel sorry for you. Maybe when I come next year, I will check. And come on, come on, come on. Maybe you guys will think that I didn't do anything to save him, but I didn't know how I can save him. This is so bad. I'm crying now. This is really bad. We're gonna make a small house for him. Maybe he's gonna get better with the sunshine coming, because the weather it's really cold here during the night. It's around, normally if you go down the sea it's around 30 degrees, and here in the night gets around 5 or I don't know. It's really cold. It's really cold, and maybe it's because of the heat. He's not. He was cold, really cold last night. So maybe that's why he's turning like this. Okay, guys, I have to cut this video. Sorry about. I just got some blood in my legs here, my knees here. I just got hurt, and yeah, it's all right. I just got hurt here, but it's okay. Peace out, man. Rest in peace. Take care. God takes care of you. I don't know what to say. I have no words what to say.